back to my channel. I haven't done a video in months, a makeup video here on YouTube. It's been forever, but I wanted to post this because it is a one brand tutorial, all CoverGirl products. Woo! Drugstore, yes. So CoverGirl has been sending me products for a while now, and I just received their new concealers and their Ultra Blend mineral powder. So I decided to do a video, and I decided to do a whole CoverGirl tutorial. Their new highlights are where it's at. That's what I'm wearing. It's beautiful. I just love that wet highlight look. So and also my hair is red, in case anybody doesn't follow me on Instagram. So yeah, I wanted to pop on here, and it is going to be a voiceover, so hopefully you guys enjoy.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the mattifying primer, which of course it went everywhere, and it is hydrating at the same time, but it did end up, the finish was matte, so I really like that. It didn't feel drying on my face or anything like that. Then I went ahead and with the True Blend matte foundation, and that face is the face of someone that just figured out it was way too orange for her, but I said YOLO, and I didn't even try to look through the other shades, so you know, just ignore my orange face. And I went ahead and used the Juno & Co sponge for that. And then I'm gonna use the new concealer, and this concealer, I really liked it. I feel like it was very full coverage for me. I did use two shades, one just to kind of add some lightness to it and try to counteract the orange of my whole face. So I went ahead and just blended that out. It blended out like a dream. I really liked it. I did put it over my eyes and under my eyes to highlight my face, and I really recommend to blend it out with a sponge. Then I went ahead and used the new mineral powder in the shade Banana, and that applicator that it comes with does not work, so I went ahead and used my own, and I just put it all over my face, and then I stippled it away. I just baked for a couple of seconds. Then I went ahead with the full spectrum powder, and I'm gonna have all the info in the bottom bar. And this full spectrum blush, I didn't use the highlights because I went ahead and used the new highlights from the new collection, but this blush is really pretty. And I went ahead with the setting spray. The setting spray is amazing, you guys. I swear, it's awesome. These new highlights, I went ahead and used Gilded Glory. Look at that. It looks like a wet dream. Okay, that sounds nasty. Forget that. But it just looks so pretty. I love a wet highlighter.
Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you like this video. And I promise I am coming back with more videos soon. I am just getting situated because I can't do talk through videos, so I have to just do voiceovers. It's kind of hard, but don't worry, I got it. I will be back, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys.